All right, everyone, welcome to Step by Step Farming. If you watched our other videos, we have slaughtered our pigeons. We went ahead and took the feathers off, and now we are getting ready to gut them. So at this point, here's this little guy here, and what we want to do is set these to the side. You want to take it from the back end, and you want to squeeze right in between the legs there. And you're going to want to make a cut going across. That will open that up. I don't know if you all can see that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your fingers, 2 fingers, and you're going to go in above the breastbone. Oh, I did.
Do you want me to do it, Mom? Do you want me to do it?
Okay, I can do this.
No,
I can do
no,
this.
Mom.
No, I can do this. No, I can do this.
Oh,
I can do this.
It's even worse than I thought
Okay,
it was.
I can do this, guys. If I'm going to have you guys to do it, I have to do it. Ooh, it's still warm.
He said go through the top.
Go to the top, and I'm going to pull. Oh, I can feel the juices. Gross. I can do this, guys. If I'm going to have you all to do it, I can do this.
Pull it off.
And I'm going to just, if you all could only see my face right now. Here we go. I'm going to pull it. There we go. Gross, but necessary, okay?
Yeah.
I'm not going to have you all to do something that I am not going to do. I'm just not going to do it. All right, so trying to get the rest of the innards. All right. I think this is the gizzard. Let me check.